If you're wondering how to install and set up a VPN on your Steam Deck, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through the entire process so you can protect your connection, access different regions, and enjoy more privacy while gaming or browsing. For this tutorial, I'll be using Surfshark VPN because it's affordable, reliable, and works perfectly with manual OpenVPN setup on the Steam Deck. Check the link in the description to try Surfshark at a great price. The Steam Deck supports WireGuard by default, but using TunnelDeck allows you to add OpenVPN support, which makes it fully compatible with Surfshark's manual configuration files. Before starting, make sure Decky Loader is installed on your Steam Deck. Once that's ready, open the Decky store and install the TunnelDeck plugin. After installing it, switch your Steam Deck to desktop mode. Open your browser and log in to your Surfshark account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the Surfshark website and navigate to the manual setup section. From there, choose OpenVPN as your protocol. Select the country you want to connect to, for example, the United Kingdom, United States, or any other location you prefer. Download the OpenVPN UDP configuration file, as UDP typically provides better speed and performance for gaming and streaming. While still on the Surfshark website, find your service credentials. These are different from your regular account login details. Surfshark provides a separate username and password specifically for manual connections like OpenVPN. Copy these credentials and keep them ready because you'll need them in the next steps. Now, open System Settings on your Steam Deck. On the left side, click on Network, then go to the Connections section where you can see your current Wi-Fi or Ethernet connections. Click the plus button to add a new connection. Scroll down and choose Import VPN Connection, then click Create. Locate the OpenVPN UDP file you downloaded from Surfshark and open it. When asked whether you want to copy the certificates, click Yes. The VPN connection will now appear in your network list. Rename it to something simple and easy to recognize, such as Surfshark UK or Surfshark USA. Enter the Surfshark service username and password you copied earlier. Make sure to change the password storage option to Store Password for all users. This step is important because Steam Deck uses the root user for these network connections. Once everything is entered correctly, click Apply to save the configuration. After that, switch back to gaming mode. Press the three-dot button to open the Quick Access menu, then navigate to the Decky plugins section and open TunnelDeck. You should see the VPN connection you created listed there. Tap it to connect. Once connected, all your internet traffic will be routed through the Surfshark server you selected. To confirm that the VPN is working, open a browser and search for What's My IP. You should see a new IP address that matches the country of the VPN server you connected to. You can repeat the same process to add more countries if you want to switch regions easily in the future. And that's how you install and set up a VPN on your Steam Deck using Surfshark. And don't forget to check out the link in the description to try Surfshark VPN at a great price.